crypto and money in similar parts. Blockchain equals bank of a country who create money. Example, ETH, Polygon. Wallet equals bank brand who provide bank account for common people to use money from bank of the country. Example, MetaMask wallet, Ledger wallet. Wallet address, just your bank account number to receive or send money. Example, 0xE8F04C75B331C309887 D161F2EC 1BEC32170437A. Cryptocurrency equals money. Example, USDT POL, TX fee and gas price equals fee when send or exchange for money. Example, 0.002 POL around $0.0005 of fee when you send USDT to someone else, Polygon wallet address. Transaction hash equals bank transfer, slip for checking, send and receive record. Example 0x9014AB6AFE5, E0FC9BC94, ABE48232242, C88A352 9E, E10F4448E4AEB5E87, E2, D1. Seed phrase, your identity information to verify ownership of bank account. Example, bird cat, rice tree garden, spoon water orange fish, van bicycle mountain. Exchange, on a marketplace to easily buy and sell things without take that thing with you, stock market, forex market, gold market. Example, Coinbase, Binance. A short story to be crypto user. Country, Polygon. Bank of the country, Bank of Polygon, Polygon mainnet. Money available, POL, USDT, Shiba, USDC, etc. Bank brand available, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Rainbow Wallet, etc. I'm in Polygon country now, so I will use money crypto from Bank of Polygon. I go to Bank Brand Bunch near me to open account, download MetaMask from Play Store and register. I keep my password and identity verification info, seed phrase, in secret. I now have my account number, wallet address, ready to send and receive money, crypto, but I have no money yet, so I deposit money to my account by buying crypto from exchange, Binance, and buy some few more from my friend in Polygon country. I give him my money, then he sent me his POL, USDT, P2P. My friend was charged 0.0002 POL for fee when he sent crypto to me. Then I check the transfer slip, transaction hash, to confirm that the amount is correct, the receiver account is mine, and the transfer status is success. I see 10 POL and 1000 USDT was sent to me successfully. Finished. I'm crypto user now, and I can send crypto to my friend around the world, even 1 USDT or 0.5 USDT. I will pay around $0.0005 for fee. Different of keep crypto in wallet and exchange. If wallet or exchange collapse, exchange, your crypto collapse with exchange. Example, FTX. Wallet. You can move your crypto to another wallet provider by seed phrase even after the wallet already collapse. Account or crypto freeze. Exchange. Yes, your crypto can be freeze if necessary. Wallet. No matter what happen, no one can stop you from using your crypto. If you forget password or seed phrase, exchange, password, you can contact for help from support. Seed phrase, you don't have seed phrase. Wallet. Password, you can change password by seed phrase. Seed phrase, you have seed phrase, but if you forget it, all your crypto gone. For most common methods people use to buy and sell their cryptocurrency. 1. CEX, Centralized Exchange. This is one of the most recommend and safe way to buy and sell. The exchange request user to do KYC, and the fee charged rate is low when sell.buy crypto. But your account will be under control by exchange and government. And in some country you may have to pay high tax rate for selling your crypto. 2. DEX, decentralized exchange. Sell and buy in DEX is safe, and you don't have to KYC, but the rate fee charge is quite high compared to CEX, 3P2P. This method is one of the popular way people use to trade. Before we have CEX, seller and buyer will exchange their crypto on online group or social with or without third party involved to help. This is one of the risk way to be tricked and get into legal problem. Risks. 1. Your buyer may send you dirty money which can cause your bank account get freeze. 2. Your dealer may cheat you after you send your crypto to them. 3. You may be tricked by fake crypto, e.g., Flash, USDT, Flash ETH. 4th, F2F, trade by meeting in real life. This is the most inconvenience way and has highest risk to yourself, safety. Risks. 1. You can be robbed when or after trade. 2. You may be tricked by counterfeit money. 3. You may be tricked by fake crypto. Basic wallet user security practice. Use more than one wallet. Main wallet. Never connect to any web, app, or exchange. Second wallet. Use to connect with game, NFT, exchange, etc. 2 wallets with same seed phrase is fine, but if separate, it will be better. Keep seed phrase offline. Separate your seed phrase to 2 parts for more security. Avoid copy receiver address from history when send crypto. Scammer may trick you by send small amount crypto to you to make their wallet address appear on your history under similar address of your receiver. Don't be curious on activities that you didn't do it yourself. No free reward, no easy return profit, no support will contact you first. There is only scammer. There is no reversed in crypto. Double-check receiver, amount and chain before confirm send. If you send it wrong, it gone. Don't believe in recovery crypto. Seed phrase, private key. Password is your life.